So here we have two pressure gauges from a pool filter, and you might be wondering, how can I tell if mine is broken? These things are kind of notorious for breaking very easily. So here's a simple check you can do. Remove it from the pool filter, and can you see the difference here in these? Well, this one here doesn't reset to 0. When you remove it from the system, it needs to reset to 0. If it doesn't reset to 0, that thing's broken and there's no way to fix it. So you're going to have to pick up a new one, and this is what it should look like when you take it out of the system. It should reset to 0. Any number other than 0 when it's just sitting in your hand, that's a problem. Now, these things do break pretty easily, but fortunately they're not that expensive to pick up a new one. And I might even go ahead and pick up another 1 or 2 extra as well, just so that you have them on hand in case yours fails again one day in the future. I hope you found this information helpful, and if you did, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.